Hey friends, welcome back to your channel, soupart. Day 31 of Inktober, and the prompt today is crawl. Before I start talking about this drawing, I would like to talk about Inktober because this is the last day of Inktober, and as I always say in every videos throughout Inktober, that you guys have been awesome. Right from the very beginning, where I got the huge amount of views, like 6,000 plus views on Wisp. Then on Bulky I got 2,000 plus, and there are multiple videos where I've got 1,000 plus views, and these many views all thanks to you guys. I never had thought that I will be getting this much amount of attention over YouTube. So the love that you guys have shown, the support that you guys have shown throughout Inktober has helped me grow, not only on YouTube but on different other platforms, that is Instagram and on Facebook. So thank you guys. I cannot, as I say always, I keep repeating myself that I cannot thank you enough, and this has been a very huge kind of a ride, a joy ride for me, the whole of Inktober 2020. The prompts were awesome, the process were awesome. I mean, I made a video just to show you guys that what materials I'll be using. Even that got good response. You guys are commenting in like numbers, and that's phenomenal. I cannot explain how ecstatic I feel every day while uploading new videos. So the 31st day of Inktober is not an exception, and I'm still thrilled that I could draw. So for the drawing, the prompt was crawl, and I thought since it is the last day, let's do something which will be memorable, and what better than babies. So I love babies. I think there will be every one of us who is listening to me and watching my videos, we all love babies, right? So sketching babies is seriously at times tough, but this one I just wanted to do. So this baby is crawling supposedly on the floor, and that is what I wanted to capture from my imagination and from some reference photographs. So this drawing would obviously remain special because this is the last drawing of Inktober. I would love to know your views, so please just blast the comment section. And if you are new to this channel, then I must say that the Inktober is not the end. Actually, I'm just starting, I have been drawing and uploading videos for long, but I have been an artist for even more than this time, because I was not online at first, but now I am for the past 3 years or so. So in this time I have learned a lot from every one of you, and if you subscribe to this channel, I'm sure that you and me can together grow. And that is the reason, that is the most important reason I think we all are on YouTube, at least artists here. So we want to grow as an artist, as a YouTuber, as someone who loves to draw. So guys, let's support each other, let's do things greatly. And after Inktober I've got many plans. There will be definitely a new trailer coming of my channel, I'm sure, because you guys will be interested to know what exactly this channel is all about. The previous trailer has been really old, so I'll be uploading a new trailer. And other than that, since I have completed Inktober, I'm thinking of gifting myself something which will be helpful in drawing, and for all the works that I do based on drawing. So I'm sure you guys will be interested in watching that, and that will be a surprise for sure. Not only one, I'm planning to do multiple of those. And then after that, I've got more drawings coming in. You guys will be able to send me requests. I've got already many requests, so those will be completed, and then after I'll be taking more requests, and there are much more plans. So you guys will surely not want to miss it. So hit the bell icon too. That will just ensure that you do not miss any kind of a notification. For this video I lost a bit amount of footage of painting the watercolor type ink, but I do not mind that because it's the essence of the drawing is up here. So I guess you guys will comment your thoughts on the whole of Inktober, and I would love to know your thoughts. So keep supporting me and keep watching my channel. See you soon in the next video. Have a nice time. Bye.